2, 1. So Cameron and Charlie, come in here. It's a very big secret. We're at Yelverton watching Ted dig out truffles. He's amazing. He's got his little dog Jet, little beauty. He just picks them up straight away. But you have to watch the golf tee so he doesn't spike it on his nose. So here we go, kids. Keep watching this video and just see how Ted gets this truffle out. Cut.
Right.
Come on, Ted. Oh, there he goes. Not
Right there. That's it. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Two sneakies at night.
Yeah.
Jumping the bed.
Deliberately pick a big one.
You have to be so careful.
But you know what? You can smell it.
Pretty
You can
good.
smell it in the soil, or I can. They grow on the root. They're attached to the root. I try to do as little damage to the root as I can. But what I find is it tends to stimulate the...
Come on, Jet. Come on. Let's go and find the truffles. Come on, Jet. Over this way. Good boy. Here we go. So Cameron and Charlie, this is Jet, #1 truffle dog in the Southern Highlands. Finds all the good truffles, as we can see. Got him all tamed. Left, Jet, left. That's the way. See? Just follows every instruction. Cut.
Winter? It is winter too.
Find another truffle.
Yeah. Back in the UK, it's going to be or something.